Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to change a portrait document to landscape. So for example, we're here and we're gonna want to select some thing to put it into landscape. Let's say we have this posters here. So now we have this poster. Let's say customize this template. Once we have the poster here, we can just easily go here. So this is portrait. How do we change it to landscape? We click on resize on the upper left corner, then search resize, maybe landscape. So here we can see landscape. We just press on landscape, so copy or resize this design. So Canva will automatically resize the design with the use of AI. So you can see that the portrait was now in landscape mode. So once again, that's how easy it is to convert a portrait Canva poster to landscape. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks. Once again, thank you for watching.